Hey guys, so today we're talking about the Epson SureColor T5700DM Duo Roll Printer, and what Epson has built here is less of a printer and more of a full-on productivity machine for businesses that demand both speed and uncompromising quality. At first glance, it looks like a large format printer, compact by business standards, but still this thing is built like a tank, weighing in at around 170 kilograms. But once you dig into what it can actually do, you realize it's packing a ton of features that make it stand out in the world of professional printing, copying, and scanning. Now, the DM in the T5700DM name stands for the Integrated Dual Light Sys Scanner. That's a 36-inch scanner built right into the system, and it's not just any scanner, it uses dual light sources with RGB filters. The benefit of it is pretty straightforward. Even if you're scanning a document that's creased, wrinkled, or not perfectly flat, this scanner can adjust and correct the image to make sure what comes out looks premium. It's the kind of detail that really matters if you're archiving documents, producing enlargements, or running workflows where the quality of the digital copy is just as important as the print itself. Speaking of printing, the T5700DM takes everything from the T5700D, already known for its high speed, high quality printing, and combines it with this advanced scanning system. You're looking at a print resolution of up to 2400 by 1200p, which for a wide format inkjet is seriously impressive. Whether you're running technical drawings, posters, CAD designs, or marketing materials, the output is sharp, vivid, and professional grade. Color prints come in at around 15 pages per minute, while black and white tops out at 30 parts per million. That might not sound like much compared to consumer printers, but remember, we're talking about large format prints up to A1 size, not just standard Office A4 or letter pages. On the workflow side, Epson has put a lot of thought into productivity. First up, the scanning speeds, up to 10 inches per second. That's fast for a 36-inch flatbed Sys scanner. Combine that with simplified document feeding and easy selectable destinations, and you've got a workflow that feels less like a bottleneck and more like a smooth pipeline. You can send scans directly to secure network folders, encrypted SSD storage, mail, or even FTP servers. And yes, that SSD is built right into the system, a 960 GB encrypted drive that's more than just storage, it's part of the machine's security backbone. And that brings us to security. This printer is absolutely loaded with features to protect business data. Over 27 different security protocols are supported here, including IPsec, 802.1x, SNMP v3, SSL/TLS, NFC authentication, and even admin lock for tighter access control. For organizations where sensitive documents are being scanned, stored, or printed, this is the kind of peace of mind you need. It's a big reason why this isn't just another printer, it's a piece of IT infrastructure. On the processing side, Epson has included Adobe PostScript support, which makes it compatible with complex file types right out of the box. It's powered with 64 GB of processing, 4 GB of dedicated printer memory, and 8 GB of scan memory, all tied to that 960 GB SSD. That kind of horsepower means you're not going to be waiting around while big design files, CAD drawings, or massive poster graphics process before they hit the print queue. Instead, everything flows smoothly, which is exactly what businesses expect at this level. Now, let's talk about usability. Despite all the advanced tech going on here, Epson has designed the T5700DM to be user-friendly. Loading documents into the scanner is straightforward, and the dual roll system gives you flexibility. For example, you can keep two different paper sizes or types loaded at the same time, so switching between A1 posters and A3 technical drawings doesn't mean unloading and reloading rolls every time. Automatic duplex printing is also built in, which is a nice touch for efficiency and reducing paper waste. When it comes to supported media, this printer handles a wide range, everything from standard envelopes and labels to full large format sheets up to A1. The maximum sheet capacity is 1000, so again, this is meant to handle busy workloads without constant babysitting. And the included ink set covers black, cyan, magenta, yellow, and even red, giving you a wider color gamut for more accurate and vibrant prints. That's especially important for graphics, posters, and anything where color fidelity is critical. Connectivity is another area where Epson has made sure the T5700DM fits seamlessly into modern office environments. You've got Ethernet and USB out of the box, along with network functionality to integrate it into secured enterprise systems.